Hello students, today I shall demonstrate implementation of rating bar on your mobile application. Open Android Studio, click on File, go to New, select New Project, then select Empty Activity and click on Next button. Here you need to mention your project name. For an instance, I am going to mention rating bar as a project name. Then click on Finish button. Now my project has been successfully loaded in the Android Studio. Click on activity main.xml file. To change the background of this file, click on activity main.xml file. Then select background attribute. Here you will find variety of color. You may choose any color of your own choice. Then click on widgets. Here you will find rating bar widgets. You need to simply drag and drop this rating bar widgets into the XML file. So this is rating bar. Now I need to fix its position. So I will click on align. Then I will click on horizontally. So the horizontal position of this widget has been fixed. Now I will click on align and click vertically. So likewise, vertical position of this UI widgets has been fixed. Now to submit the rating which is given by the customer, I will simply drag and drop button UI widget. So click on buttons. Here you will find button UI widget. Again need to drag and drop onto the XML file. First task is to fix its position on your application. For that purpose, click on align, click on horizontally. So in this way its horizontal position will get set. Then again click on align, click on vertically. So likewise its vertical position will also get set. Now click on this button UI widget, go to the attribute. First of all, I will change its name. For that purpose, I will select text attribute. Here I have set submit text on this button UI widget. To change the background color of this button UI widget, simply click on button and you need to select background attribute. So this is the background color of button UI widget. Now what is the significance of rating bar on your mobile application? It is the most easiest way for the customer to submit the feedback to the company for their services. If the customer submit feedback which is above 3 star in the scale of 5, that would be either 3 star or maybe 3.5 star, 4 star, or maybe 5 star, then company is really performing very well. However, if the customer submit feedbacks which is less than 3 star, that is either 1 star, 1.5 star, or maybe 2 star, then company need to introspect on their services and need to enhance their services so that they will be able to fulfill the requirement of the customer. Now click on activity Java file. Here you need to create the references of UI widgets. Here I have taken two UI widgets, rating bar and button. So I am supposed to create the references for their respective classes. I will call here rating bar class, which is present in Android.widget package. First of all, you can see here I haven't imported this package, but when I will simply call this rating bar package, Android Studio will automatically import this package Android.widget and the rating bar class present in this package. So this is the reference of the rating bar class. Then next class is button class. Again, you can look here, automatically Android.widget package has been imported by Android Studio, and now I have called the button class. So the reference for button class is btn submit. Then I will click on activity.mainxml file. I will simply set the ID of the respective widgets. For the rating bar, here I will select the ID attribute which is present over here. Now by default it has been set as a rating bar, so it is fine, I will not change. Then I will click on button UI widget. Here the ID is button, that I will be change. So here btn submit button ID has been set to the button UI widget. Then again I will go to the main activity.java file. Now I am supposed to assign respective ID of this UI widget to these references created for the respective classes. So for that purpose, I will call here reference of rating bar class, which is rating bar, and with the help of find view by ID function, I will assign rating bar UI widgets ID to this reference of the rating bar class, where I can locate the ID of the rating bar UI widget. It is simply present on R folder. So here I will pass the parameter R dot ID dot, and this is the reference of rating bar UI widget. Now again this ID is in integer format and this is the reference of the class. So I need to apply here typecasting methodology. In parenthesis I will simply mention the class name, which is rating bar. and I will perform same operation in the case of button class as well. I will simply assign the ID of submit button to the btn submit reference of button class. Now I will call the set on click listener method of the button class with the help of btn submit reference. So here I have called set on click listener method. Then I will call on click listener interface. So this is on click listener interface of the button class, and this is the abstract on click method which is present in on click listener interface. So now whatever the ratings submitted by the customer, that I am supposed to display. So for that purpose I will again go back to the activity main.xml file. To show the ratings provided by the customer, I will click on text and drag and drop text view UI widget. So I will use this UI widget to display the ratings provided by the customer. Again, I need to fix its position on this XML file. I will click on align, click horizontally, then click vertically, and I have set its position vertically as well as horizontally. Here by default text view has been set to this UI widget. I will simply remove this text. For that purpose I need to click on text attribute, here is text attribute. I will remove this string text view that was earlier set on this UI widget, and ID of this text view is text view. Again, here I will create the reference of text view class. Here I have created txt reference of this text view class, and I will assign the ID of the text view widget to this txt reference of text view class. So what ID has been set over here for the text view UI widget? It is text view. So this text view ID I will set on this txt reference of text view class. In the onClick abstract method, I have called getRating method of the rating bar class with the help of a rating bar reference. So this method will simply get whatever the different rating that has been submitted by the customer. Now I will assign the rating that is submitted by customer to the particular string value, and for that case I will here create variable of string data type. So data type is string and variable name is rating equal to. So again here I need to implement typecasting methodology. So for that purpose I will call the string class, this class is present in java.lang package, and I will call its static method value of. And within the value of methods parenthesis I will set this get rating method, so that whatever the rating submitted by the customer will first converted into the string format, and that rating will get assigned to this rating variable which has data type string. So now the next task is assign this rating to on the text view, so that user will able to view what rating has been submitted by the customer in scale of 5, whether it is 3 star, 4 star or 5 star. So I will here call txt reference of text view class and call the sec test method, and I will here pass the parameter as a rating variable. So I will simply click on run application. Here you can see two processes are running. First of all, Android application has launched AVD emulator. So this is emulator. This device is Pixel 2, and the second process is Gradle building running process. When both process get finished, this application will launch on this device. Now see, here I have got the message Gradle invocation finish and there is 0 errors. It means my project has been launched on this emulator successfully without any error. So simply I will initially give rating 4 and 5 star, and I will click on submit button. So here you can see so this is 5-star rating. For its better view, I will click on text view. I will select text size property and increase text size from 14 sp to 30 sp. And to set the color on that string, I will select text color property. So now I have assigned this color to the rating. Again I will click on run button. So this is 4-star rating, this is 5-star rating, this is half-star rating, this is simply 1-star rating.